Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another banger. How are you all doing? Today we will be making this native yummy delicious soup called Onugbu soup. To my Igbo sisters and brothers, I know you can relate to this soup very well. In here I have my seasoning cubes, my beef, dried onugbu, stockfish, chicken, cocoyam, red oil and salt. You might be wondering, are you using chicken for your onugbu soup? Yes, you can try it out. It is very good. So I added all my protein, went in with onion, just little onion, no cubes and a little thyme. I went ahead to mix together. I did not add water because the sauce is going to help to cook the meat to an extent, though. Then I covered it. I forgot to show my crayfish. That is my crayfish I will be using. So I went ahead to clean my cocoyam because of course we are going to be blending it. After peeling out the cocoyam skin, I went in with 2 fresh pepper. You can use dry one if you want. So I blended the two together. Here our protein is cooked. I went in with the blended cocoyam. At this point, I like to go in with all the ingredients that I'll be using for this soup. I went in with my crayfish. Please be very generous with crayfish. Don't do stingy when you are cooking with crayfish. I went in with my red oil and also my dried onugbu. I went in with this onugbu at this point because it is dried onugbu. Had it been its fresh onugbu, I wouldn't have added it now, but because it's dried onugbu, I wanted it to soften very well. I went to the other pot to make semolina because that is what we'll be using for this soup. I promised a shout out on my last video that whoever comments and tell me where he or she is watching from, I will give a very big hug on my next video. So today's hug goes to Doris and family from Nigeria, Gisela vlog from Philippines. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you loved it. Thank you so much. Let me know where you are watching me in the comment section so I can send you a big hug on my next video. So here our soup is ready. Look at that. Our soup is bubbling. It's so yummy. So here I'm still making our swallow, but it is almost ready. Stick back and watch the rest of the video. So my love, we have come to the end of this video. Do you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up so to support this very video and my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks for watching and bye bye.